Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How is everybody doing? Today we're going to be making another project, which is an RGB shades thing in the artist studio in code.org. Now let's begin. The first step is to discuss what it's going to do. So it's basically just going to make these things, and we need to make it one by one. So next we need to code it. We're going to jump to 20 over 20 down, which is here, and it needs to create one line, jump back, down, one line, and then it's going to continue until it finished all three. So for counter from 255 to 1, count by -4. Then we're going to set color with RGB and then counter. Because if, let's say RGB is R is 0, then that means that it's black. So it goes from red to black, green to black, and blue to black. So we're going to move forward by 100 pixels, and then jump backward by 100 pixels, turn right by 90 degrees, jump forward by 5 pixels, and turn left by 90 degrees. That moves you to the position where you can make the second line. And then after that, we need to jump to 130 over 20 down, and then do the same, and then jump to 240 over 20 down. So that effectively concludes our designing and coding phase. As you can see, the reason why it progressively gets darker is because the color goes from 255 to 0 pretty quickly. So it goes from bright to dark. Now let's run it to see if it works. For some things in the artist studio, you don't need to run it, but for this thing I'm going to run it because if I run it, then we can actually see it drawing, but it automatically already shows what comes out on the screen because some things take a long time to run. So let's begin. So here is the first one. It's getting darker and darker and darker until it reaches black. So now we're at green. And we reach black and we go to blue. And we're finished. So this is how to make a quick and simple design. And this will look nice. I recommend you try this out at home by yourself. I'll put the link to this in the description below. Be sure to check it out. Also, this is pretty simple and way more simple than the other games we've been making. So I encourage you to check it out and try making one for yourself. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Remember to hit the bell icon for notifications too. Bye.